Hey, what's up everybody? It's been Home Cook Hero back with a new video for y'all. And today, y'all, I'm gonna show you how to make an easy, simple appetizer. Perfectly seared scallops with a brown butter and thyme sauce. So y'all, if it sounds good and if you're into it, let's go. All right, y'all, so I have the scallops that I picked up. These are some sea scallops. They are not like the jumbo kind that you might find, but if you find those, if you want to cook those, definitely do so. I just couldn't find any on hand. So then, y'all, those are all the other seasons that I'm using. Just some salt and pepper, olive oil. Very, very simple, very simple dish. And y'all, right here, I'm just showing you all that some of the scallops have like that little membrane on there. I guess that's maybe how they like hold on to their like little shell or something like that. But yeah, you want to just make sure that you go through all of the scallops and take that little membrane off, because it's very tough and chewy, and you're gonna think that you did something wrong when you cook these scallops, but no, it's just that membrane. So definitely make sure you go through each scallop and take them off. And as you saw with that one right there was no little membrane on that, so I just set it to the side. But yeah, y'all, like I said, just go through all of the scallops. Don't forget this step. Don't skip this step. Promise you. So y'all, I'm just gonna do that with all of the rest of the scallops, and then after that I have a non-stick skillet that I have preheating on just medium heat, medium to medium high heat, and I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of olive oil, and then y'all, I'm gonna place the scallops into the skillet. And y'all, when you put the scallops in the skillet, don't move them around, don't shift them around, just put them in there and let them be, because that is how you're gonna get like that nice little bit of crust that starts to develop on the scallops. And y'all, if you'll notice, I'm only putting the scallops kind of like in at the corner of the pan, because like I said in one of my other videos, I got a trick stove, and so it kind of like it's doing like the little lean to the side. So as you'll see, all the oil is kind of coming on one side. But yeah, y'all, just put the scallops in there and then just let them sit in the pan for 2 minutes, y'all. And I'm also going to take this time to just season the other side. I already off camera just seasoned the first side that's already cooking now with salt and pepper, and then you want to do the other side, the same thing with the other side. And go gently on the salt. You don't really need too much in there, because the scallops already have like natural salinity from the ocean, natural saltiness anyway. So you don't need to go too, you don't need to go too hard with that. And then y'all, I'm just just putting the oil down just so it cooks everything, so I can get that nice good sear on the bottom that I really want. And like I said, y'all, just keep them on there for about 2 minutes. You can go a little bit longer if you want a darker color, which I kind of did in my next batch, y'all. But y'all, after 2 minutes, I am just gonna go over and I'm gonna flip them over. Hopefully they look good. Yes, okay. That is what we want. Look at those scallops, y'all. Look at that nice, beautiful golden brown color. That lets you know, y'all, that we are doing something right. So y'all, when I flipped it over, just like I do with steaks or whatever, chicken too, I'm just gonna put some butter in there to really help that scallops really cook even deeper and really give off that nutty flavor from that butter that's going to start to brown in there. Also throw in a little bit of thyme leaves, fresh thyme leaves. They look a little wilted because they were in my freezer. But those are fresh thyme leaves. And yeah, y'all, I'm just going to let those thyme leaves kind of like just cook in that butter for a couple of seconds, y'all, just to make sure it infuses really good. And then y'all, we are just gonna top that butter all over the top of the scallops to really kind of baste them in that butter, y'all. All right, just like I said, the same way we do like a steak or with other types of seafood, you want to baste the seafood or the protein in that butter to make sure that it really imparts that nutty brown butter flavor all throughout, y'all. But another way you can cook these scallops is to have the heat on like really high heat. Cook it on one side, especially if they're like bigger scallops. Cook them on one side for like 5 minutes and then baste them in that butter, y'all, and you'll get the same effect. Baste them for about like a minute to a minute and a half, and you'll get the same effect, y'all. But y'all, this is my second batch of scallops right here. As you'll see, I let them cook for a little bit longer on that side, on the first side, just so they could get a little bit deeper in color, y'all. And this is what it's looking like. Perfect scallops every single time, y'all. So yeah, y'all, I'm just plating the scallops up, trying to have a nice little presentation for y'all. But y'all, that is pretty much the end of this video. I really hope you enjoy watching it. I definitely enjoy making it, and I definitely enjoy eating these scallops because they were really good, y'all. And yeah, I'm just, putting on a little food grass, a little parsley, just to make it more appealing. Just gonna top it off with some of that brown butter infused with that thyme, y'all. And yeah, y'all, this is pretty much it. This is perfect as an appetizer for any type of occasion, y'all. As you see, it's just like finger food. You can just pick them up, pop them in your mouth, and go. Do whatever you got to do, y'all. So y'all, that is all I have for y'all today. I'm just showing y'all me slicing into these beautiful, perfectly seared scallops, y'all. It was so good. I almost forgot to show it to y'all before I put it on my mouth, y'all. But yeah, y'all, that's all I have for y'all today. If you enjoyed the video, definitely let me know down below in the comments. You can like the video, and you can even subscribe to the channel, y'all, for more videos just like this one. All right, y'all, I'll see you in the next video. Later.
It sound right, boy.